name is Audrey, and welcome back to UMD Backcountry Cooking. Dehydrating your meals is a really great way to keep your meals light, efficient, and compact. So in this video, I'm going to show you how, plus give you 2 bonus recipes. Whoa!
First, you need to set up your tray with a rack to allow for airflow and put down a piece of parchment paper. Then, you want to spread out whatever you choose to dehydrate across your tray. I chose to dehydrate frozen vegetables, black beans, and apple slices. Once your food is laid out, you are ready to take it to the oven. Set your oven to the lowest possible temperature and make sure you prop open the door. Dehydration time varies greatly based on the food you use and your oven, but after 4 to 12 hours, your food should have shrunken in size and feel dry and hard. And once you take it out, it is ready to be used in your recipes. This first meal uses our frozen vegetables to make a Mediterranean-style instant meal for backpacking. This next recipe uses our dehydrated beans to make a classic beans and rice instant meal. You can eat the dried apples straight out of the oven, but both of the other meals need to be rehydrated following the same set of steps.
You're really fun!